Monday morning. Standard issue. Get the sausages going. We haven't got no bacon, but we picked up these lovely sausages from the farm shop over near Dorset, and these are to die for. These are the best sausages we've had for a long time. We had a little sausage sandwich yesterday and they were cracking, so we're just finishing off the rest of them. So we're just going to have a little bit of breakfast. Going to have sausage in my eggs, bit of toast, got some beans on the go as well. And how quick does Monday morning come around? So we're going to have a bit of breakfast, and we're just sat out. I'm under these like catkin trees up here, and they just keep full. I've had to move my table over here, and we're just getting like peppered with these like catkins that are like falling down. So dodge the catkins this morning. But we've had an epic weekend up here. It's been so nice out in like nature, and that walk yesterday, probably just over 8 miles. I think Carolyn said it was like something like 41,000 steps or something we did out over to that side of Poole Harbour, and it was just breathtaking views. Not the best day on the planet, a little bit grey, but at least the rain kept off, which was pretty awesome. So yeah, we've had a really cracking little weekend again up at Burnbake. Totally recommend this place. We came back last night and went up to see the guys up here. They sorted us out with nice pizza, chips. So we came back and ate that in the van, and all the vinegar, salt and pepper, salt and stuff. So lovely. And so we sat here chilling out, and couple of beers, couple of drinks, and then literally we were zonked. But woke up this morning looking out, and room with a view over the campsite, over the trees, stunning. So yeah, it's have this, and might take in some views before we disappear out of Dorset, before we go back to Devon. Okay, just up on the grey water drain, chemical toilet to do before we leave. So we're just going to actually drive up through the site. Grey water drain just outside the refuge. Perfect. I wonder what this Spaniard's doing. If I can get up there. Morning, how's it going? All right. Lovely, thanks a lot. Oh, hang on, we'll get there in a minute. That's better. So it's hard to believe, about a week ago, not even a week ago, we was coming in through. We just spotted the Condor Ferry as well, just going in there, which is pretty nice. So there's the ferry. We're going across that ferry, get over the other side into Sandbanks, see if we can see Harry Redknapp out on his veranda. Boat Central. Look at this water here. How nice is this? And to my right, Studland Beach. We got fishermen out here doing a bit of fishing. Got to get over and have a look at this lovely sand. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, this is a nice beach. This is Studland Beach. Wow, look at this water. Wicked. Look at this water. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, it makes you feel like you want to just lie on the beach in the sunshine, and it feels nice and warm here. It feels so warm. Look at this. Bournemouth in the distance. Just down here sharing the stories about Omaha Beach a week ago. Oh my God. And yeah, but well, to be honest, Omaha Beach is pretty epic, but Studland Beach is it really does take some beating, especially when the weather's like this. Look at this water shimmering out along this beautiful sandy beach. I get back in the motorhome, it's nearly time to board. Here he comes. So all the cars will be rolling off and we'll be rolling on. But how nice is this today? Good move, no car deck. No, nothing above you. Yeah. No height issues whatsoever. So we're finally leaving Dorset. I think we're going back in to pull out to the A35 and trundle back down to Devon, I think. But leaving with some lovely views out over Poole Harbour, all the kite surfing going on, seagulls. Oh, look at this.